Good evening and welcome back to Pullback Indicators. The markets have already closed, and let's check out the performance of our indicator for today, 15th March. As you can see, this is a Nifty index future chart. Today in the morning we got a sell signal here on this candle 950, but the trade did not execute. Why? Because the closing price of the next candle is almost the same, just a gap of 1 point. So in that case we do not enter into the trade. Even if we would have entered, it would have clicked our stop loss. Now this is a Bank Nifty chart. Remember, whenever we trade on index, Bank Nifty or Nifty future, we always use a 5-minute time frame. Some people are saying that our signal is not matching with their signal. That is because you are selecting Nifty spot and Bank Nifty spot. You need to select Bank Nifty index futures. So here today morning we got a sell signal here at 1240, but this was our trading candle. As per our strategy, we have not made any trade. Why? Because the stop loss, which is the high of the previous candle of the signal candle, is a stop loss that is very big. So we follow a 1:2 method. So we didn't enter into this trade, but if some of you have entered, they have got a good return. Now let's see some stocks. When we see stocks, we use a 3-minute time frame. Now for stocks, as you can see, we got a sell signal here in Infosys on this candle, and the trade happened on the third candle. We can enter into the trade either on the next candle or maximum 4 to 5 candles. So this closing, we have the trade was initiated on this candle and it went down right till here. Next we have Maruti. For Maruti, again we got a sell signal here. The trade happened on this signal, and from 7498 it came down almost till 7368. Next is ACC. ACC, again we have got a sell signal here. The trade was executed on the next candle of the closing price, and from 2083 levels it came down all till 2045. Next we have Euromotocop. Again in Euromotocop we got a sell signal here in the morning. The trade happened on this signal on the second candle, and from 2359 it came down all till 2301. A very big gap down. Then we have Grasim. For Grasim, again we got a sell signal here, and the trade happened on the next candle, closing of the next candle, and it came down till here. Let us see Hdfc. Again for Hdfc we got a sell signal here. The trade executed on the closing price of the next candle, and from 2287 it came down all till 2230. And this, as you know, many of you know, we do not enter into any signal after 2 o'clock. That is our first strategy. And second is, if we are in profit on the first signal, we do not enter into any trade for remaining of the day. Then we have Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra, again we have got a sell signal here. On the next candle the trade was initiated, and from 1495 it came down all till 1448. Let's see Tata Steel. For Tata Steel, again we have a sell signal here, but as per our logic, no trade happened on the second candle because the stop loss is very big, although it came down very down. Then let's check out one more stock, Reliance. Reliance, we have got a sell signal here. The trade got executed on this candle, and from 2408 it went down all down till 2340. And as you know, any signal which comes after 2 o'clock we will ignore. As you can see, if you follow the indicator properly and also use my trading strategy, then you can recover the indicator cost in just one day. This was all for today. Remember, we cannot predict the market, but if we remain consistent and stick to our trading rules with proper discipline and follow proper money management, then our chances of winning will be higher, which leads to overall profit. This indicator works across all market segments, whether equity, Nifty, Bank Nifty, Commodity, Forex and crypto. Along with the indicator, you will also get our strategy videos on how to trade, when to enter, when to exit and where to put stop loss. This indicator works in TradingView chart. You can use this indicator on your smartphone and also your desktop browser. You don't require any paid version of TradingView. But yes, if you want automatic buy sell alerts, then only you need a TradingView Pro account. In case you have any queries, you can send me a message. I will put down my details in the description box. Hope you had a profitable day today. I hope you liked this video and thank you very much for watching.